What's up, guys? Frank M Tech here. I'm at the shop and I got this beautiful Lincoln. I hate Fords. I hate Lincolns right off the bat. Got a check engine light. Already found out what it was, but so you guys can see it's got a bunch of stuff already taken apart. So what I'm gonna end up doing is swap the camera around. So give me 1 second, guys. Swap the camera around so I can get into the computer scanner. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm how I do this, or what steps I do just to get to this. So give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, I'm here with the snap-on scanner because I know these are good with American cars. I think I hear my phone ringing. Yes, hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, alright, I'm back. Sorry, I'm just getting pulled away from a lot of customers. All right, back to this Lincoln. All right, guys, Lincoln. We got a check engine light. I already know what it is, but we want to take you through. I'm trying to use the screen in front of me. No, I don't want to cancel. Battery died on me just before. God damn it. It is no. God damn it. This is what's gonna happen. I gotta go reset this, change vehicle, because it freaking died on me, the damn battery. Change vehicle, yes. Alright, Lincoln. No. God damn it. I gotta go through this whole thing again. So let me just go history. Vehicle history right in front of me. I'll pull Lincoln Navigator. There. Damn it. Let me go back. Let me do this through here. Alright, Lincoln Navigator. Activate. Give me 1 second. So let's just see Lincoln Navigator, that's what it is. Trying to go everything to the screen. Alright. Let's start this bad boy. It's definitely humid today. Tell me what the card is. I'm going to engine because we got to check engine light. That's what the customer's complaining about. I can't do this through the freaking phone. I'm trying to, guys. There you go. And I don't want to go key on, engine off, self-testing. I don't want to go to key off, engine running testing. I want to go to memory codes, pending codes, or clear codes, but I want to go to memory codes. Goddamn, my phone is ringing again. Give me 1 second. Press continue. Self-testing. Alright, don't worry about the first code. That's probably because the battery died. So the second code and the third code is what I ended up having the first time. That probably came up because of the what's the name, how you can call it, the battery died on me while I had the key on with the scanner talking to customers, and the battery died on me. So don't worry about that. Alright, my main concern is cylinder number 4, engine misfire cylinder detected on number 4. So right now I gotta figure out which one is cylinder number 4. So what I'll do next is go to my all data, walk all the way to my tablet, instead of going to the all data. Boom, all data. I already got it up so you guys can see the 4 cylinder is all the way to the back on the passenger side. The arrow meaning the front of the engine. This is going to be the driver's side. This is going to be the passenger side. That's going to be number 4. Oop. Yeah, there you go. You can see number 4. And that's going to be number 4. So this is what I found, guys. And my light is going to put my charger up. Anyway, I should see if I can turn off the lights, but whatever. It's charger on. All right. Let me see if you guys can see. All right. I got the cover off over there. As you guys can see, I got the cover off. The coils are here. You can see one here. There's another one. It's all the way all the way to the back. Yeah, they took this one back all the way to the back. Pull the coil off, and this is what I find: a bunch of corrosion, bunch of stuff with corrosion. Find out. I don't know if you guys see that crack right there. You already know it's the back coil, right off the back. I'm not going to even try to. You can see all that stuff, but mostly that is my main concern right there. It's all cracked. Also, you can see another crack. Let's see if it focused. There it goes. Crack right there. crack right there. I'm not gonna go any farther than that. I already know this is filled with water or coolant. My guess, not my guess, I know what it is. It's freaking coolant. That's why it's all like this. Everything was all soaked with coolant. All this was all damp with coolant. I don't know if you guys, no, I won't show it. But all this is actually damp with coolant. And the reason why, let me jump over this charger. Reason why we got that misfire is, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see, right there. The heater control valve. The heater control valve for the heater is actually leaking all over the place. Let me see if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway. Sneezing up in this biatch. Alright, right here. I'm gonna end up seeing it right there. You guys can see it leaking. I don't know if you see the signs. Coolant all over the yeah, allergies today. Coolant all over the place is all wet. The coils are all wet. Everything's all soaking wet. It's probably cylinders are all soaking wet also in there. So what I'm gonna try to recommend is gonna end up being, say, fucking just do all 4 coils in a tune-up. I may just do all 8 coils, but I don't know if he's gonna go for it. But we may end up doing all 4 coils and 8 plugs for all this. And yeah, these are the pain in the ass ones. I had to remove the ECU out the way so I can get to the one in the back. But yes, that's one car. Hold on, let me flip the camera around. So yes, guys, that's car number 1. I got another check engine light. Well, actually no, I gotta test drive a BMW. I gotta check an Audi outside and handicap vehicle. I'll check probably another day. Yeah, I'll probably do that for tomorrow. It's a Saturday, and I got this Corvette as a check engine light. Maybe check it later on today. But so far I already know the Lincoln, what I'm gonna do with that. Great customer of mine, so I'll probably just do freaking 4 coils and the plugs because they're all freaking soaking wet. And now my next thing, real quick, I don't know if you guys can see this, Audi Q7 S-Line, a bunch of packaging and whatnot. So basically that belt came off, the serpentine belt, gotta check that out. And got the Audi there, and I got the BMW right over here. So I have to do these 2 cars also. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna put the coil back into the Lincoln, move the Lincoln out, close all the whole shop, because I'm here by myself, close the whole shop, take the BMW for a test drive, and also bring that in. Once I'm done checking, I'll see what's vibration, probably be wheels, axles, something, or maybe another misfire. We don't know. So we got an oil change on that one also. And you know what? What time is it? Yeah, I'll go for a test drive first. I was gonna say not go for a test drive yet, but my parts, I ordered some parts in, so I wanna miss my parts. Yeah, they didn't come out. They probably didn't leave yet. So what I'm gonna do is move some cars around, take that BMW for a ride, and check the Audi. So alright guys, basically 1 car already done, figure it out, turn off the keys, take out the scanner, put everything somewhat half back together so I can have that up and running so I can pull it out. I can bring the other car. It's actually blocking my bay to bring in more cars, even though the front door is open. But I got the Corvette. I got the Corvette there. Sorry guys, talk to you later. Peace out. El bicho en la chocha y un dedo en el culo, así es que se